Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an endless supply of money while others struggle to make ends meet? Could it be a secret financial strategy, a hidden wealth loophole, or perhaps a celestial alignment? Let's dive into the mysterious world of lunar accounts and uncover the truth behind this intriguing concept. In recent years, a new term has been circulating in financial circles: lunar account. It's a concept that has sparked curiosity and debate, promising financial prosperity and abundance. But what exactly is a lunar account, and how does it work? Unveiling the mystery. A lunar account, in essence, is a metaphorical representation of your financial energy. It's a concept rooted in the belief that our finances are influenced by celestial bodies, particularly the moon. Just as the moon cycles through its phases, so too does our financial energy. The lunar cycle and financial energy. New moon. This is a time of new beginnings and setting intentions. It's the perfect moment to plant the seeds of your financial goals. Waxing moon. As the moon grows, so too does your financial energy. This is a time to take action and move towards your goals. Full moon. The full moon is a time of culmination and abundance. It's an opportunity to reap the rewards of your hard work. Waning moon. As the moon wanes, so too does your financial energy. This is a time to release and let go of what no longer serves you. How to harness the power of lunar accounts. Track the lunar cycle, stay informed about the moon's phases, and plan your financial activities accordingly. Set intentions. During the new moon, set clear and specific financial goals. Take action. As the moon waxes, take steps to achieve your goals. Express gratitude. During the full moon, express gratitude for your financial blessings. Release and let go. During the waning moon, release any financial worries or limiting beliefs. The science behind the magic. While the concept of lunar accounts may seem mystical, there's a scientific explanation behind it. The moon's gravitational pull influences the Earth's tides, and some believe it may also affect our biological rhythms, including our financial behavior. The psychological impact. The power of the lunar account lies not only in its potential astrological influence, but also in its psychological impact. By aligning our financial actions with the lunar cycle, we can tap into the power of our subconscious mind and create a more positive mindset towards money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, incorporating lunar principles into your financial life can be a powerful tool for growth and abundance. By understanding the lunar cycle and aligning your actions with its phases, you can harness the energy of the universe to achieve your financial dreams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.